Hi there, my name's James from Butler and Stag estate agents, and I'm here today to talk about leasehold properties and lease extensions. A leasehold property could be any property that forms part of a larger building whereby a leaseholder or an owner has been granted a lease to occupy the flat for a said number of years, which will be stated in the lease. The freeholder, of course, being the owner of the land itself and the building in which it sits. Well, when it comes to marketing any leasehold property, one of the first questions a buyer or prospective buyer will ask is what is the remaining lease length? And as a rule of thumb, anything over 85 years doesn't tend to pose an issue, but anything sort of south of that, a buyer will sort of start to question what the likely costs are of extending the lease, what rights they have, and also at 85 years, mortgage lenders or surveyors and solicitors have a reporting duty to the buyer as to what the implications are for that. Well, there's two options available to leaseholders or owners of leasehold properties when it comes to extending. The first and the most preferable would be through the statutory route under the Leasehold Reform Act of 1993, which gives leaseholders who have owned a property for 2 years the right to extend their lease by 90 years, as well as additional entitlements such as a ground rent of zero, and to request any variations to a lease that they may deem unfavourable at the time. The second being the informal route, where a leaseholder would contact the freeholder directly and request a lease extension, which can be done, but on that basis the ball's very much in the freeholder's court, and they can dictate terms not only on the price and the premium they're willing to charge, but also the length of lease that they're willing to grant. For example, we've had sellers that have gone through this process before where they've contacted the freeholder directly. They may have had an 85-year lease and they'd offer them a top up to 99 years and charge them the same amount of what they'd be legally entitled to for an additional 90 years, and also they can make a provision for the ground rent to escalate from there. So it's certainly beneficial going through the legal route.